Morning guys, hope you're all well. Just thought I'd drop a little video in of another car we've got. This is a TVR 280 S1. So these were, well, this was built in 1988. It's a British built sports car. You probably remember that these were built in Blackpool once upon a time. Yeah, so we bought this last year, July last year, and we've had some good fun in it over the time we've had it, and just parked up now waiting for this virus to disappear so we can get back out in it. But we'll show a little look around it, and we'll start her up, let you have a listen to it. So there's the interior. Had new leather interior in 2015 or 16 or something. In fact, if you have a look at our website, which is mytvr.co.uk, I'll put a link in the description below. It tells you all about what's been done to the car before we owned it, and in fact what we've done since we've had it. So yeah, so the interior, all nice, brand new leather. It actually smells like a 1980s car as well. It's got that typical 80s smell. Okay, so under the bonnet is a 2.8 litre V6 fuel injection, and as you can see, it is a Ford engine. And those who know about these cars will know that this engine came out of the Ford Capri, original to this car, but yeah, these are the engines that were fitted into the 2.8 injection Ford Capri in its day. The later cars, TVR S series, were fitted with a 2.9 litre engine, which were fitted into the Ford Granadas, if you remember. So right, let's try and give it a start up. It hasn't been started for a couple of weeks, so let's see what it sounds like. There you go guys, up and running. Sounds quite nice. One or two noisy tappets on adjusting. We know we've got a slight oil leak on that left hand bank on the rocker cover, so we'll do that in the coming weeks. Have a look around the back. There we go, there's the noisy end. So it's got the V8 engine exhaust system on it, obviously from the middle back. Really does sound like a straight through system. Doesn't sound like there's any silencing there at all. Really nice on the road, sounds really good. Okay, and there's the front end, guys. I suppose it looks a little bit like a Triumph Spitfire, doesn't it? Bits of time. Right, okay, that was just a little bit of a short video just to show you one of our other cars. Hope you like that. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Okay, catch you soon guys, take care.